Tim, our leather expert. So how would I clean my leather coat, leather jacket at home? What can I do?
Okay, sure. So again, with coats, it really is going to depend on the type of leather it is. And most jackets are more synthetic. They're not made with full grain leather. So really consider that. How porous is your leather jacket? But really with any leather jacket, again, we would just really want to, you just want to clean it first. So a wet towel, hot water with baby shampoo or detergent, cut with water, is going to just clean that jacket just fine. And then I would also probably use a weatherproofer on it. Weatherproofers tend to be a little bit more waxy at first, but it will dry, and that's going to protect it from the rain. It's just an extra layer of protection. We would use Chamberlain's number 3. It's perfect for that. And then really you should be good with that.